the LG V20 user here today. I'm doing a video about the iPhone 8 on AT&T prepaid. So the iPhone 8 is now here on AT&T prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get an iPhone for counter cheap, AT&T prepaid might be the place to go for you. That's if you're interested. Also, AT&T prepaid has the iPhone 8 for $599.99. It's available in 64 gigs. So yeah, the iPhone 8 is an old phone. Came out in 2017, I believe it was. Came out in 2017, so phone's 2 years old, but still pretty good phone in 2019, if you ask me. So it's yeah, so not too bad, you know. $600 for the phone. It is what it is, guys. Alright. So it's an all glass design, advanced cameras, A11 mounting chip, wireless charging. Alright. Wow, that's it. Wow. That's all I say is the front of the phone. You guys have front facing camera, earpiece, your touch ID down there, power button on the right side, volume button on the left side, and your sound key on the left side as well. Alright. Now of course on the back you guys have camera flash and all that, Apple logo and all that good stuff there. So don't know why they don't show the front, but it is what it is. Alright. It says display 4.7 inches Retina HD display with True Tone, design all glass and aluminum design, water and dust resistance. 12 megapixel camera with OIS and 4K video up to 60 frames. FaceTime HD. 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera with Retina flash for stunning selfies. So you know, let's see. iPhone 8, a beautiful mind. That's the 8 Plus right there. This is the 8 right here. That's what the back of the iPhone 8 looks like there. Yeah, you guys know what the iPhone 8 looks like. It's not new. It's been out for almost 2 years now. So yeah. iPhone 8 introduces an all-new glass design, the world's most popular camera, now even better, the smartest, most powerful chip ever in a smartphone. Wireless charging that's truly effortless, and augmented reality experience is never before possible. iPhone 8, a new generation of iPhone. I don't know what color, it's probably available in black, but if you guys can get a product red, the iPhone 8 from AT&T prepaid, go for it. Introducing iPhone 8 product red special edition in a stunning red glass finish. Each purchase contributes directly to the global fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and brings us one step closer to an AIDS-free generation. If you guys want to get that, you guys will be helping out. So figure out throw it out there. An iPhone phone from glass. There's a back up there, the Apple logo. The most durable glass ever in a smartphone. Front and back, a color matched aerospace grade aluminum band, new space gray, silver, and gold finishes. Precision engineered to resist water and dust. Now talking about wireless charging, there's a wireless charging pad right there. The glass back enables easy wireless charging. Two sides, this is the iPhone 8 that you guys are looking at. 4.7 inches and 5.5 inches Retina HD. Retina HD now with True Tone there, so yeah. A Retina HD display that's more beautiful than ever with True Tone, a wire color gamut and 3D touch. It has True Tone technology, automatically adjusts white balance to match the light around you for a better viewing experience in all kinds of environments. It has brilliant colors with a wide colored gamut and the best color accuracy in the industry. Everything on that screen looks more brilliant and vibrant. Wide viewing angles, dual domain pixels give you a great view of the screen from almost any angle. The world's most popular camera, now even better. iPhone 8 features a more advanced 12-pixel camera, a larger, faster sensor, a new color filter, deeper pixels, and optical image stabilization for photos and videos. Portrait mode, that's on here as well. You guys know what the iPhone 8 has. It has portrait mode on the iPhone 8 gets even better for sharper foregrounds and more naturally blurred backgrounds. Dual camera and new facial. It also has portrait lighting as well. Dual cameras and new facial lane marking creates dramatic studio lighting effects in portrait mode. It has optical zoom. The wide angle and telephoto lenses on the iPhone 8 enables optical zoom as well as digital zoom of up to 10 times for photos and 6 times for videos. A11 Bionic, the most powerful and smartest chip ever in a smartphone. That's like about to be 2 generations behind. So it's still pretty powerful chip, but still, it's not the newest chip from Apple. The A12 is the newest one from Apple, so it's already a generation behind. It's about to be 2 generations behind when the next iPhone comes out. So yeah. Introducing A11 Bionic with 4 efficiency cores that are up to 70% faster than A10 Fusion, and two performance cores that are up to 25% faster. Alright. Is power efficiency. A second generation performance controller provides more power when you need it while delivering the same great battery life. It has Apple designed GPU. The new Apple designed 3-core GPU is up to 30% faster than A10 Fusion. It has augmented reality. A11 Bionic powers extraordinary augmented reality apps and games that will change the way you see the world. Wireless charging, of course, wireless charging for a wireless world. With no charging cable required, iPhone 8 is truly designed for the future of wireless. There's a charging pad right there. Charge with the wireless charging stations in hotels. Charge with the wireless charging stations and mats in hotels, cafes, and airports around the world. It has iOS 11 on it. It has iOS 12 on it. Yeah, but when you guys get this phone, it might have iOS 11. When you guys get this phone, so you keep it in mind. So they're talking about iOS 11 here. So there's a giant step for iPhone. There's iOS 11 right there. Like I said, iOS 12 is out. You guys know that. iOS 13 is coming out this year. So yeah, that'd be pretty nice. So yeah. iOS is the most advanced, intuitive, and secure mobile operating system in the world. It's designed to help you get the most out of iPhone. Paid friends and messages. Let Siri be your translator and discover new music discover new music with friends in Apple Music. Augmented reality. Experience mind-blowing AR games and apps on the world's largest platform for augmented reality. Alright. So when you guys get this iPhone 8 from AT&T Prepaid, you guys might have to update to iOS 12. So do keep it in mind. The iPhone 8 dimensions are 5.45 inches height, 2.65 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. The iPhone 8 weighs 5.22 ounces. The display on the iPhone 8 is 4.7 inches LCD display. It's an IPS display. It's 1334 by 730 pixels. That's 256 ppi. It also has IP67 ready for dust and water. It has 3D touch, of course, on there. Video, it has 12 megapixel optical image stabilization on back, quad, LED true-tone flash for slow sync. F1.8 aperture lens, digital zoom to 5 times. You guys have live video capture and playback, 4K at 24, 30, and 60 frames, 1080p video at 30 and 60 frames, 720p video at 30 frames over. Video call wise, it has FaceTime video calling over Wi-Fi and all that. Additional video features: 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera with 1080p video recording, Retina flash f2.2 aperture lens, wide color capture for photos and live photos, audio HDR backside illumination sensor, body and face detection, audio image stabilization, burst mode, exposure control, timer mode. That's all on the front facing camera there. The battery in this thing, I have no idea what the battery is, but it can't be removed. Talk time is 14 hours. 12 hours of internet use. Wireless video playback 13 hours. Wireless audio playback 40 hours. Wireless charging cable, it works with Q chargers. Fast charging 50% in 30 minutes. It has an A11 Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture and neutral engine and embedded M11 version code processor there. 64 gigabytes of storage. The RAM, I've no idea what the RAM. I think 2 gigabytes of RAM. I think 2 gigs on this one. It has iOS 11 on there, but when we get to the phone, you guys might have to update to iOS 12. So do keep it in mind. It also has Touch ID fingerprint sensor built into the home button. Apple Pay, of course. It has Siri, of course. 4G LTE, has 4G, 3G, GSM is a voice phone, it's quad band. It's video calling, FaceTime. It has 8 to 11 AC Wi-Fi. It has NFC, Bluetooth 5.0 according to this, probably 4.0 maybe, I don't know. It has another SIM card. Wi-Fi calling, HD voice, of course. Built-in apps, you guys don't have the apps from AT&T, but you guys have Apple apps. You guys got all the Apple apps. You guys got camera, photos, health, messages, phone, FaceTime, mail, music, wallet, Safari, Maps, Siri, iTunes Store, App Store, news, contacts, iBooks, home, weather, reminders, clock, TV, stocks, calendar, calculator, voice memo, compass, podcast, watch, tips, iCloud, drive, find my iPhone, find my phone's settings, and find all that, right? Free apps from Apple. You guys can get these on your iPhone for free. You guys have iMovie, Pages, Keynote, Numbers, iTunes G, GarageBand, Apple Store, Trailers, Apple TV Remote, iTunes Remote, Music, Memos, Clips, and your default browser, Safari. Your sensors, it has a Touch ID, fingerprint, program 3-axis driver, accelerometer, proximity, ambient light. It has iMessage, of course. It has iTunes. It has Apple Music on there. And what you guys get in the box is you guys get the AirPods with lightning connector, lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, so it has everything that you guys will get in that iPhone box. So there you guys have it, iPhone 8 available at AT&T Prepaid with $599.99 for the 64GB version. Still not, I guess it's not too bad, I guess, you know, and I wish it was a bit lower than that, but $600 for the iPhone 8, a bit pricey in my opinion, because the iPhone 8 came out in 2017, so it is what it is, but it's still a flagship phone, it's still getting updates. Keep in mind that if you guys get this from AT&T Prepaid, you guys will get iOS 11 out the box, but you guys can update to iOS 12 if you guys want to, and you guys get iOS 13 on this phone later this year, so be on the lookout for that. So if you guys are wanting to get an iPhone 8 on AT&T Prepaid, here you guys go. 64 gigs, $599.99. I'm not sure what color it's in, probably space gray or black or white, I don't know. But yeah, but if you guys are wanting to get like a old school iPhone, this is the one to get. It has a 16:9 screen, so do keep that in mind. It has bezels and all, so yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.